Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete all files or everything from your laptop. So let's get right into the video. To delete everything, head over to your settings of your Windows, and when you are in your home page, search for recovery options, and here you can see in the recovery option we have an option reset this PC, and you can see there is written if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstalls Windows. To complete the reset, you will need to be connected to a network and follow the instructions on your PC. So let's get started. Click on Get Started. And here you can find two options. One is keep my files and the second one is remove everything. And if you want to keep some of your files and settings but remove some apps or settings, you can click on keep my files. And if you want to delete everything, I mean it, everything, so you can click on remove everything. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.